Hey there, it's Teddy from TireDirect. How's it going? Some people do not like to work on their car. That's why your trusty mechanic is there to help you. But some people can accomplish some work by themselves and save some hard-earned money down the road. This is our top maintenances, with no particular order, to DIY at home. The wiper blades replacement. Those wipers can be purchased in many stores. Double-check the measurements that you need and read the package for the installation. Easily done. The bulbs replacement. Have a side marker not working. Check your owner manual on how to access it. It is sometimes very simple. Your local car shop will be able to provide you with a new unit. Ceramic coating application. With some elbow grease, it's easy to apply a good ceramic coating on your car. Read those instructions carefully. Watch a few videos on YouTube to check how the pros do it, and voila, a car that looks like new. See, some car maintenance can be pretty easy. Always know that you are doing before proceeding, and you will be able to perform some simple tasks that will save you big bucks later when you go see your mechanics for more technical maintenance. You want to know more about the questions that are regularly asked? Go to TireDirect.ca, then visit our blog section. Thanks for listening and happy driving.